When I want to get my RC on, I go to Crawler Ted's garage.
That's not what I meant to do, Jay.
You went for a drink? It looks crystal clear. Does it have that awful scent?
I bet it does. But it smells like fish. That's better.
Ted, what's that you have under your armpit? Are we going boating? We're going boating, Miss Geico out here. He's going the long way. I'm going to go the easy way. Right through some twigs. We're out here at the Harvey Passage. Once again, they lied. It's supposed to be summer. Not yet.
It's not sounding too good there, eh?
Sounds a little bit noisy. Airplane! Uh-oh. What's that sound? Ted, what's that sound?
I think something turned into poo.
Poo.
Poo. Does that mean it's time to upgrade?
Ow! I'm the camera guy, not your mechanic.
Wee-wee's never a good sound. You know, when we left the truck, it wasn't sounding too good. I thought that something bad was going to happen. Okay. What a piece, eh? Tell you what. Last of the snow. Let's see if we can do that thing.
Virtual reality through Ted at Harvey Passage.
Make the full shot.
this.
Stocking.
Why not? What are we doing here?
Nobody needs to know that.
Are we going boating?
No.
Why not?
You know. Oh, yeah, you're right, we are. Yeah, my bad.
And not in snow. What are we? April 17th or something?
Yeah.
I was waiting for it. I was waiting for it. Ducks!
I love this boat, man.
Like this video and click right down here on the right to subscribe to Crawler Ted's Garage. Enjoy!